Who produced the Pogues album Rum Sodomy The Lash? If you're a fan of the Pogues and their iconic album Rum Sodomy The Lash, you might be curious about who was behind the production of this landmark record. Let's take a closer look. Released in August 1985, Rum Sodomy The Lash was the second studio album by the London-based Irish folk punk band, the Pogues. This album marked a significant point in the band's career, showcasing their unique sound and style. The production of Rum Sodomy The Lash is attributed to none other than the renowned musician Elvis Costello. Yes, you heard that right. Elvis Costello, known for his own eclectic music career, played a crucial role in bringing this album to life. The story goes that Elvis Costello was initially approached to produce just 2 singles for the Pogues, A Pair of Brown Eyes and Sally McLennan. However, after the initial recording sessions at Elephant Studios in Wapping, London, Costello decided to take on the entire album. His approach was to capture the band's raw energy and live performance style, rather than polishing them into a more refined sound. Costello's involvement was pivotal in maintaining the band's authentic and energetic vibe. As Philip Chevron, a member of the Pogues, noted, the band needed someone to facilitate their natural sound rather than alter it. Costello's goal was to capture the Pogues in their dilapidated glory, before any other producer could change their unique sound. The result was an album that received widespread critical acclaim. Rum Sodomy The Lash climbed to number 13 on the UK charts and later went gold, with many praising the album's imaginative use of resources and its blend of folk, punk, and storytelling. So, to answer your question, Elvis Costello was the producer behind the Pogues' celebrated album Rum Sodomy The Lash. His contribution helped shape the album into the classic it is today.